episode, I'm going to teach you that how to make a good cover for a thumbnail photo for your YouTube content. First thing you need that to record a video for your content and then edit your video to upload on YouTube. Once you have finished uploading your content on YouTube, go to your YouTube studio to choose and apply your personalized thumbnails. I'm just using my mobile phone here to edit my thumbnail. Click your YouTube studio app, then click on the content you want that to put your edited thumbnail. In your content you can see a pencil sign. Click the pencil sign, then you will see another pencil sign. On edit your video, click this pencil sign again. Then edit your thumbnail will show that on your screen. YouTube has already created a ready thumbnail that you can choose. But if you want a more personalized thumbnail, use a photo editing app. I recommend you the HippieCap photo editor available on Play Store. On Photo Editor, you can utilize your skills on editing the photo you want to be the cover of your content. After saving your edited photo, go back to your YouTube studio.
It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise. I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time.
Now you can check your YouTube channel and your personalized thumbnail will appear on the cover of your content. I hope you find this video helpful on your journey of being a YouTuber. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, JRP Adventures, if you like this video.